Very fast and easy how to install the dual SIM in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Very easy, but first of all you have to know that you can remove the SIM bay with any device, any like a clip. Now let's take it off. Let's remove it. Insert the SIM tray accessory that's in the box, and let's take out the SIM bay. This is the SIM bay. Let's make a zoom so you can see it better. And in one side you're gonna see it's gonna say SIM 1, and in the other side SIM 2. And how you're gonna install it is very easy. Let's start with SIM 1. It's very important that you must know with which SIM card you have your data or internet. And now you're gonna put it, you're gonna look like the drawing. There's a little drawing here, and you're gonna put it here this way with the terminals facing up. And now you're gonna turn the bay and hold by the bottom. And now looking to the little graphics, you're gonna put the other SIM card in this way, and it's gonna match. Here's gonna go, and you're gonna hold. You must hold. You don't want them to fall. And now remember how you take off the bay. So I'm gonna insert and hold and push, and that's all you have to do. Now you have to wait. On the top it's reading the two SIMs. It's read the first one, and let's wait until it reads the second one. And SIM 1 and SIM 2 are working. Like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks a lot.